Now in this video I'm going to show you how to participate in a discussion. The first thing, on the left side navigation, remember we saw a link for discussions, and we click on it and we ended in the discussion board. And of course the discussion board, we saw in a previous video how to create a forum, but most of the time we use forums that already exist. So in this case there's a forum about teaching online at TCI. This is something I use for training faculty, so that is why this particular topic. So if I wanted to participate in that discussion, what I would do is click on teaching online at TCI, and it would bring me into the forum itself. And now I see the threads in that forum. So the threads are the actual discussions. I can click on one and read what the person posted, and then go ahead and reply and so forth. Or I can create my own thread. So here I'm going to show you how to create a thread. And so you click on the create thread button, and that would bring me to the area where I can name my thread. Remember to, it's good to be descriptive about what your threads are, and after the title I can provide a description, or my opinion. For example, this is the actual discussion. So if the instructor asks you to put a discussion about a certain item, this is where you would put your opinion, whether you agree with a reading, disagree with a reading, share research, internet links, any number of things like that. This is where you would put the information. And if you wanted to, you could also attach a file, so that you could, if you had a file from somewhere that you have obtained, or you had a paper or something that you've obtained before, or a PDF or a PowerPoint presentation, all of those things can be attached to accompanying your statement in the discussion. And then of course you would submit to actually create your posting in that new thread. Remember, if you're not done with it, you can always save it as a draft and come and continue to work on it later. But after submitting, the thread would be live to everybody in the class. So make sure that the thread is as you want it. Make sure that the thread is respectful. Make sure that to others, and make sure that it's something that you wanted to have your name attached to it, and that will reflect your college standing, and in the future your professional standing. So make sure that you compose these threads correctly, and then you submit them.